update also now coming in, where we're now understanding the police in fact has gotten a 3-day custody. This is going to be a big setback for the Lingayat Seer Shivamurthy, who continue to play the victim and the medical card. Harish Upadhyay is getting us all those details. Harish, as we were saying, it looked unlikely that the court or the judges are in a mood to compromise. So the police now getting 3-day custody. Will we finally see questioning done with the Seer?
Yes, looks like finally the prime accused in this rape case will be interrogated. The court has given him for 3 days of police custody till September 5th. There are still arguments going on where his counsel is convincing the court that he needs medical attention. But going by how the court had responded over the last 2 hours, they were in no mood to entertain any of this plea. They had called out his bluff, and now he's being given for 3 days of police custody. And this is till the 3rd of September. And has to be seen if there will be any specific instruction on his health as well. He would want to be at the district hospital. Will the court allow it, or will the court once again pull up the doctors? Remember, the district health officer and the doctors at this district hospital have a lot to explain. Why did they come out and give statements saying that he's in a serious condition, he's in the ICU, he might have suffered a cardiac attack, while this man walks into a police van with just a mere surgical mask, no oxygen mask, no monitoring device, nothing whatsoever. The world has seen the bluff of these health officers. Has to be seen if the court has taken note of it.
Harish, have we seen a legal reaction from? Have we seen a reaction from the legal team of the Seer?
Well, not right now. It's still on. The counsel, in fact, trying to convince that he needs medical assistance and he needs to be given some sort of attention at a superior medical facility. Has to be seen if that's something that gets accepted. But we do understand now that there is 3 days police custody that's mentioned, but the police are seeking for more. They are saying 3 days might not be enough for the interrogation to be completed. A lot needs to be done. A Mazar needs to be done. A forensic medical test has to be done on him. At the same time, they also have to record his statement, corroborate with the details that Rashmi, the accused number 2, might have given. So a lot of work needs to be done, and 3 days might not be enough is what the public prosecutor perhaps now is informing the court. Has to be seen if that would be extended.
Okay, so Harish, I quickly also want to understand, where will the Seer now be taken for this custody to continue?
Well, we are just waiting for that information to come in on whether the court believes that he needs to be at the district hospital. Most of these district hospitals have a jail cell as well, a jail ward as well, where under trials or even, in fact, prisoners are kept if they need medical attention. Will it happen there, or would the court say that we've had enough of this and, in fact, ask the police to take him into custody, into police custody, and then see if he needs any sort of a outpatient service at the hospital, depending on his health condition? That's something that perhaps will trickle in the next few days, or in fact in the next few hours.
Okay, Harish, I'll just request you to stay on with us. Let me also bring in our colleague Ritu. In fact, has been tracking developments from outside the court. Ritu, any other details that you're picking up?
See, for right now, the big development that we're getting to see is that he's been told for a 3-day police custody, but you see there a word exchange is taking place of his health condition, that what he is going through. So that something is a crucial point that they are making, but we'll have to wait and see to where exactly he will be moved, of what exactly the situation will turn out now, because there's an official confirmation that has been awaited, like to where he will be taken or what exactly will take place, whether he will be given for police custody, thinking that after his health reports that have been analyzed from the judge and him being present physically also, these all ill details will actually help out and also play a vital role in that way to check whether how exactly the situation will have to turn out, whether he has to be given to the police custody, and physically being over there in the police station, or there, or of course other way around, that he will be told to be in such a such a place where there are such institution where there is a jail inside the medical premises only. So will that be a kind of an home arrest as well? So that is something that official confirmation is awaited.
Okay, Ritu, I'll request you to stay on with us. Let me go back to Harish. Harish, any more details that you're picking up as far as the arguments that were made as far as the legal team of the seer is concerned? Any specifics being given, or what are the ailments that the seer is suffering from?
Well, they've said that he had suffered COVID at the beginning of the year, post that he's had some bit of uneasiness in breathing, and now they're saying that he's had a bit of throat pain. At the same time, his BP is fluctuating, is what they've said. In fact, these are submissions made to the court. Remember, there's also a medical report that's been submitted to the court. Though those details yet to come out. So far, that hasn't come out. But the legal team of the Swamiji trying really hard to convince the court that he needs to be shifted to Bengaluru for further superior medical attention, but the court not buying it right now. And the court was miffed with the fact that, one, he was taken to the district hospital, and the district hospital and the Swamiji side were actually making efforts to have him airlifted from Chitradurga to Bengaluru, and this without informing the court or taking the court's permission for all this.
Harish, I just want to understand, what are the option and the possibility of bail in a case like this?
Very, very minuscule, in fact. Remember, this is a case under the POXCO Act and the SC/ST Act as well. One of the girl is a Dalit girl, and these are serious charges. And the fact that he still hasn't been interrogated, it was very unlikely that he would have either got an anticipatory bail before his arrest or now a regular bail. It looks very unlikely that he will get a bail anytime soon till the investigation is completed. There is a solid case for the state to argue that this is an influential man who might tamper with evidence, who might pressurize eyewitnesses, and also pressurize the victims as well. So if the state really wants, then they can actually ensure that this year will be behind bars for a very long time.
Harish, I quickly also want to understand, what about the other accused?